How to join a gang on Street Wars 2. The first things first is you'll need to have the group or the gang name. Now, for you to be able to get that, all you have to do is to use any social media platforms, maybe Discord, um, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or any social media platforms that you can go in and try to research. You can also post from those platforms that you're looking for a certain group in which you wanted to join. So if you already have the group name, then simply log into your Roblox account, and then once you're logged in, go to groups, which is going to be left portion of your screen. It's going to be below your profile name, and go to groups. Now, once you have already or you have take noted of the group name, then just simply type it in. So, for example, let's search for Street Wars 2. For example, this is the group name that you have researched basing on those platforms that you've used. Then you'll just have to locate that group or gang profile picture. For example, this one. Simply click it in. And once you have clicked on a specific group, then just simply click on join group. Now it's not going to be instant and it's going to be depending on the settings from the group admin if they need approval first before you can join or you can join immediately. So that's it. That's how you join group with Streetz War 2.